your own GIF. It's really easy. You just need Canva, which is an app, and you need the Pro account. So first, you're just going to do custom dimension here. We're just going to do 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel. All right, create new design. All right, and then what type of GIF do we want to create? So I'm just going to do a new post. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and select my font that I like to use. So let's use this one here. Okay, so I'm going to make this big. Okay, and we can also like put an arrow or something. So let's go to elements, and I'm just going to find an arrow. Okay, so let's do this one. I'm going to go ahead and turn that down here to there, and I'm going to do this. Okay, so you can change, you know, the color to your branding color. So let's say I want to do this gray here and this gray here too. All right, and if you want to put like a photo or something, we can do something like herb plus cutout. So if you want to find cutouts, you just do a plus and then cutout. So I'm just gonna put this here, okay, as like an example. Okay, no, I don't like that. Let's say herb cutout. Let's say lavender cutout. All right, that looks a little bit better. So let's just put this here. Okay, like this, just for the sake of this tutorial. Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna duplicate this, and all we want to do is make this a little bit different. So we can change the color here to make this like that. I can move this. Let me change this color for the arrow to white, and then just move it slightly, and this creates movement. So you're gonna see, because we're basically taking a bunch of photos and then combining them into a GIF, so each thing has to be slightly different. Let's go ahead and duplicate this one also, and I'm gonna go ahead and like put this even more down, so like this. So first one is here, then this one a little bit down, and then this arrow a little bit more down. Let me just copy this one just in case I think I moved it a little bit. All right, so you can be super creative with this and really make it stand out. Like we can even create movement in the lavender, for example. So let's go ahead and just move this here, and then move this here, and then move this like to the middle. All right, and let's change the color of this also so that we're creating like different colors. Let's actually make this one white. Okay, now all we have to do is, however creative we are, making sure we're moving all the elements however we want to create movement. So let's go ahead and click download. This is very important. You want it to be PNG. You want to click transparent background, and then all 3 pages, and then let's go ahead and download that. All right, so now I have that as a zip file on my computer. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a website called gifmaker.me. So gifmaker.me. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click upload, and we're gonna go ahead and find that new post folder. Let's see where it is, new post. Okay, and we're just gonna select all 3 of them. All right, and now we're gonna get a preview of our GIF. You see? All right, so if we want to change the speed, we don't want to change the canvas size. Change the speed to make it faster. We can do this. You can make it slower, but we want it a little bit faster. So I'm gonna do like that. Okay, and now we just have to go down here and click on Create GIF Animation, and it's just gonna say wait a moment and then download the GIF. So now you have the GIF on your computer. And then you want to go ahead and airdrop that file to your phone or send it to your phone. And then all you're going to do is on Instagram, create a story, and you're going to go to your photos and click on the photo and do copy photo. And then in your Instagram story, you can paste the photo into your story. So I'll show you how that looks. So basically open your phone, go to the photo and click copy photo. And then we'll open Instagram and create a story, right? I'm just gonna take a photo. And then all you have to do is click on the photo, paste, and there you go. And that's it.